So, you know, when I first heard that Volkswagen was coming out with a car called Vivo and they were assembling it in Kenya, I'm like, what? Vivo, made in Kenya, it's got my name on it. And it's affordable and it's really targeting, I think, a similar kind of client. Professional, aspirational, busy, wants to be comfortable, doesn't want to waste a lot of unnecessary money. So wants a car that's good on fuel, that's safe, that's reliable. Hello!
Welcome to Kenya.
I'm talking with you on the Bluetooth in the car as I'm driving. I'm pretty impressed, man. I must say, like it's smooth. It's pretty powerful. Like, you know, it goes faster than you'd imagine. It's holding its own. I love this Bluetooth speaker function.
Yes.
I think it's just the kind of, it's what I need to sort of dash in between, you know, if I have to go from Junction, quickly go to Yaya or T-Mall. And I think this car sort of would get me there quickly, easily, comfortably. And you know, the whole made in Kenya thing, it's a big deal. I don't know if people realize just how many more people's lives are impacted positively when you buy something that's made local, you know? I don't know what you guys think, but I'm seriously considering getting a car like this. I wish they had an orange one. So we're here and I'm getting a message that's saying, please do not forget your cell phone. What a smart car.